Hi, is this thing on? Sorry, I'm not sure if I'm working this right, but I think it's working. Alright, I just got this new computer. It's like Windows 8 or Pineapple or something. I'm not sure, but I think it's working. You see me? Well, what is this WAA? What is it again? Yeah, what's that all about? You know what? I think I have just what you're looking for. I have a CD of bird calls, and it would go great for the show. I even give you an example if you like. I mean, well, it started when I was real young. I watched my dad, and he started doing bird calls, and his favorite was the blue jay, and it just goes, blue jay, blue jay, blue jay, blue jay. The females even sound like this one. Blue jay, blue jay, blue jay. There's a difference. The cardinal, it has something different. It's slightly different. Cardinal, cardinal, cardinal. And the bald eagle, it's more of a screech noise. It's all like, ah, ah, ah. And when they're hungry, the babies, but the sweet ones, or the hummingbirds, they're like, Penguins, well, they're a bird, but they don't really make noise. I don't know. Haven't seen one yet. Maybe you can send me a video of one of them. I think it sounds something like a waddle. Well, a spatsy sounds something like this. Splat. 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 The crows?
Yeah.
The crow, they're kind of dark. They're like, crow, crow, crow. And then you got those, get a turkey. While we're on the farm, I might also go with the chicken. And, those vultures. Man, those things are terrifying. They'll eat you things alive. They're flying around. They're all like, arr! Arr! That even sounds like one of those prehistoric ones. The pterodactyls. They have like those bigger long wings. They're like, arr! 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 They swoop down and they grab you. The dodo bird. One of my favorites. It's extinct now, but kind of like had the neck bob. It couldn't fly, so it's like flopping. It couldn't get anywhere, so it's like. I like that one a lot. It's my favorite. To be honest, no one really knows what they sound like, but because they're extinct. Dodo bird. That's what I think. That's what I'm getting at. Hey, you guys still there? You guys there?